2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is an exciting addition to the Camaro lineup, a car that's made for enthusiasts who crave high-performance driving. Let's talk about what makes this vehicle stand out. Starting with the design, the Z28 has an aggressive, bold look that grabs attention right away. The sleek lines, wide stance, and muscular frame give it a powerful presence on the road. The front grille is more pronounced, giving the Camaro a fierce, track-ready vibe. Of course, aerodynamics plays a key role here, with functional air vents and a rear spoiler, designed to keep the car planted at high speeds. Under the hood is where the Z28 truly shines. It comes equipped with a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 600 horsepower and 600 pounds-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission for those who want a more hands-on driving experience, although an optional 10-speed automatic is also available. This power allows the Z28 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it a beast on both the streets and the track. The suspension and braking systems have been upgraded as well, with performance-tuned dampers and Brembo brakes that ensure sharp handling and stopping power. Chevrolet has also the Z28's chassis to offer better cornering stability, making it ideal for tight turns and fast straights on a racetrack. Inside, the 2025 Z28 is a blend of performance and comfort. The seats are heavily bolstered to keep you in place during aggressive driving, but they also offer enough comfort for longer rides. You'll find a mix of premium materials, including leather and Alcantara, giving the cabin a high-end feel. Technology hasn't been overlooked either, with a digital driver display, an 8-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system to keep you entertained. Another great feature is the lightweight construction of the Camaro Z28. By using carbon fiber and alumina components, Chevrolet has managed to reduce the overall weight, improving both speed and handling. Combine that with the track-focused suspension, and you have a car that not only accelerates quickly but also feels nimble and responsive in every situation. Safety features in the 2025 Camaro Z28 include a range of advanced driver assistance systems. There's forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, which is crucial given the limited rear visibility that comes with the aggressive design. To sum it up, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a car built for performance enthusiasts. With its powerful engine, precise handling, and aggressive design, it's a thrilling ride that offers more than just speed. It's a complete driving experience. Whether you're taking it out on the track or just enjoying the open road, this Camaro is sure to impress.